Welcome to Aparna's Home TV, your one-stop destination for your everyday life. I'm Aparna. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to apply henna to your hair. I just comb my hair. Mine is medium length hair, as you can see. I prepared my mehendi over and it has been sitting it overnight. It's neither too thick nor too thin. See. So let's see how I apply it. Lot of you have been asking for this video, so that's why I'm doing it. It's very tough to do this video, but I'll try my best to show you how I apply. One thing you need is a pair of gloves. You can get it from the dollar store. Just put on your gloves, and before putting on your mehendi, you need to comb your hair, and I already did comb my hair. So let's put on. So do you apply your mehendi? I have few gray areas around here, that's why I apply mehendi. And one more thing is, it nicely conditions my hair. That's another reason I like to apply mehendi. So first thing I did was separate my hair into two portions. Now we will take the common portion from here, see, and take small mehendi, small amount of mehendi, see, and go all the way to the length. Work in very small portions, guys. You don't want to work in big portions, because mehendi won't be there on all the portions. That's the point. And don't forget the back side. Go after this like this. I hope you can see this. Nicely applied all over. And roots must be covered. That's the main area. And go like this. Twist your hair around and make a knot. And then flatten it and go over with mehendi one more time. And next what we do is take small portion of your hair from any side you like, and taking it from the right side. You can even take it from left side. Start applying towards the length. Messy, but it's really good for your hair, guys. Do it at least once a month so that you get all the nice moisture and everything. I will show you what I put in mehendi in some other video, but right now let's stick with how I apply it. Then go around the first one and small portion and cover your roots, guys. It's important. Cover your roots and at the same time flat. Now what we are doing is taking a small portion of your hair from the other side. Last time I took the hair from the right side. This time I'm taking it from the left side. So we'll alter it. It's a huge process, guys, I know, but it's really good for your hair. Lots of requests came in when I put a vlog like saying like I'm applying my mehendi. People wanted to know how I can get my hair to be so smooth after applying it. So this is the trick, guys. You just flatten it every time you go and put on the mehendi as you go. Now going back to the right side, small portion again. We are alternating between right and left, guys. That's the trick here I use. Take your time, guys. This is not going to be easy. You need to remember that much. Take your time and make sure you're coating your hair with mehendi nicely. Because you apply it only once a month, you need to do a correct job with it. Now left side again and go over it. Let me complete applying to the entire hair. I'm almost done with my hair, guys. Few more minutes and I'll be done. Patience is extremely important, guys. Have some patience and you will really do a good job. Even if it's messy, it's okay, guys. It's for your benefit that you're putting on mehendi. Don't worry about anything and enjoy the process. Last set of hair. Now it's time for the roots. Don't leave out any roots. Start from your ends and just go in. Just don't miss out anything, guys. My sideburns are also important. Take your time to cover every single hair. It really conditions your hair, guys. Henna is really good for you. Don't use artificial hair dyes. For me, it's like 1 month of artificial hair dyes and then 1 month of henna. That's what I do. I alter it because artificial hair dyes, they completely make your hair black, whereas henna leaves an orangish hint on your hair. That's the difference between both of them. And henna is good for your hair and artificial dyes are not good for you. So always prefer henna if you can. But I know it's a huge process, but it's like a 1 day thing for me. But that's okay. It's only monthly once. If I don't spend time for myself, then for whom I will spend? This is important, guys. This will give me lots of confidence. So that's why I like to maintain it. And if you go to a salon, at least in US, they will ask you, depending on your length of your hair, they'll ask you $30 to $40. Whereas if you do it in a home, it's an expense of $4 or $5 of mehendi, and that mehendi won't finish in one-time use. So it's like at least 3 to 4 uses out of it. That's like a lot cheaper when you compare it with the outside. Look how smooth it came. It's all about patience, guys. Have some patience and smooth it out. The key is it neither thick nor thin. It should be spreadable. That is the key. Wow, look at my mehendi, guys. Nice and clean. Last set of hair, and then I'll have to apply backside. Sideburns are also very important, guys. For me, problem area is mainly around here. Little bit, not too much, but that is my problem area. I don't have any problem areas in the back. I'm doing the entire hair only because it's good for my hair. So this is it guys, this is how I apply my mehendi, and I want to give you few tips before I go. One is always wear your gloves before applying mehendi, and your mehendi should be left out in the hot oven or in the hot place overnight so that it can develop its color and it will become more moisturizing for you. And the third thing is don't wash your hair with a shampoo as soon as this is dry. Just wash it with plain water, remove mehendi completely and leave it. When it's completely dry, apply oil and let it stay overnight, or if you don't have time, 2 to 3 hours maximum, and then wash your hair. It's very important for your color to last more. You need to do this step. It's very important guys. So, and one more thing is you need to leave your mehendi on for 3.5 to 4 hours for the color to develop onto your hair. Remember, that is the most important thing. So I hope you learned something new from this mehendi tutorial. I will see you guys in my next video. If you didn't subscribe to my channel, please do. It will mean a lot to me and it will help me get you better videos. Bye for now, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you. Please don't forget to subscribe. Bye with messy hands. Bye.